problem with most portable mannequins available today is that they are unrealistic and they just don't last. Prestan provides a durable yet lightweight compact set of mannequins with a realistic appearance, the Prestan Ultralite Manikin 4-pack. This lightweight set of mannequins contains 4 stackable heads, torsos, and compression pistons. Setup is extremely fast and easy, with no small pieces to lose or break. Simply attach the piston, assemble the head, insert the lung bag, and you're ready to train. As with all Prestan products, ultralight mannequins are realistic with anatomically correct features and easy to clean skin. The piston allows for realistic chest compression resistance and depth. It has been tested to over 500,000 compressions for durability. In fact, it is so durable, these mannequins offer an accurate head tilt, while the lung bag gives a visible chest rise. The Prestan Ultralite Manikins, a compact, portable set of mannequins, perfect for on-the-go training, with the same quality and durability you've come to expect from Prestan. To learn more about the Prestan Ultralite Manikins, contact your Prestan authorized distributor today.